And that's going to help prevent your house from too much damage or any major damage or anything like that. Obviously right now, if something were to happen and these weren't tight, I mean, that might do some damage on the house, start cracking the stucco, who knows. Tipping the wall over or something. Here's a big long threaded piece that they left down here. I don't know what that's all about, but they left it. See, there's one here too. There's one on this 6x6, one on this 6x6, and trying to get these nuts tight. I guess I'm doing this because it's here and because they should be tight. So I'm glad I found it, eh? Eh? Wow. These straps happen to have 5 bolts on them, but not all straps are going to have 5 bolts. I see one over here that's got only 3, and then there's one down further that's got only 4, and that's probably on the plans. It probably only showed, you know, that many. Boy, this nut is really loose. Okay, see, there's another one. There's actually two more over here. I can see one right here. This one only has 3 bolts to it. And sure enough, these are loose too. Unbelievable. Here's an extra little 2x6 that I found down here, and I'm gonna end up using that, and I'll show you that in a minute. Probably maybe on a different video, but anyway. This one comes from the other side. See, sure enough. this one happens to have, oh man, this one's really loose. I'm trying to hang on to the bolt and turn it because the bolt was spinning. There. I'm just holding on to the tip of the bolt, keep it from spinning, and that did it enough to where I could get it. And this bottom one looks like it might be, yeah, it's doing the same. Sometimes if you try to do it fast, you can get it from spinning. See, I got it. Well, pretty much. Now it's spinning again. There. Got it. That's how you do it if it's spinning on you. Now let's just look at this a little closer. See this one here? It's got just 4, and it's from the other side. And I don't really have much light over here, but you can see it. Here's another threaded rod. This rod doesn't look as fat as the one that had 5 bolts on it. Here's the tie down strap on the side, and this goes down into the footing, or the stem wall, concrete stem wall. Now see this one here? This one's a Strong Tie HD8A, and this is from Simpson. Simpson's got a lot of strong ties, and on the plans, if you ever have to put any strong ties or joist hangers or anything, make sure you look on the plans, because the inspector looks on the plans. And see, this one's thinner too. This one's a little bit thinner than that one over there. See how fat, see how big that one is? Look at that. That was for those monstrosities right there. And for some reason this one's different. See, they marked it before HD8A, and this one is HD15. Both of those, and they did that to make sure that they put the right ones in. They even marked those, and then they had to pre-drill all the way through, and all that. My word, these are nice and thick. And see, the threaded rod goes up, and I don't know what happens there. It probably goes on up through the wall up above, and then there's probably another one of these or something up there that gets bolted in. Maybe there's another 6x6 post up there in the wall, and then it gets bolted in again to get tied into the wall. I'm not quite sure, because I can't get into those walls. They're all sheetrocked and everything. Okay, and see, these were HD 15As. These are the ones I just tightened up, and I'm gonna look around, because I know there's more. Let's see, here's one up here, right there, and look at that. It's loose. It's loose as a goose. Here's another one loose. That one's loose. Oh, that one's tight. One's tight out of 5. And I'll bet you if I crank on that, I can probably get it tighter. And so I'm gonna go around and look at more places. I know I have some more. I've got a crawl hole. This is the crawl hole that goes outside, and I've got it closed. I've got it closed right now, but let's see. Here's another one right here. See? And I think there's another one over here. Sure enough, here's one here, and see that one there. Wow, I'm not going to be able to tighten that one up, because the bolts go through, and they ran a 2x6 here. Then they installed the little door, and they notched, or they ripped two pieces of wood, one on both sides, and then the bolts are in there. I guess I'm not going to be able to tighten that one. I hope that one's tight. See, here's some more. I don't know why they have a piece of insulation there. They don't even need one. Look at this. Unbelievable. These are coming off. You can't even see the bolt head.